The 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.